Hello my lovelies, how are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. And in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be sharing just a small haul in what I picked up from Walmart. And I may or may not add this to the previous one from Michael's because I did stop by Michael's. And so these are just little tiny hauls, you guys, because once I set up an area, I see what I'm missing, and then I just add what, I write a list down of what I think I want, and then I go ahead and shop for those items. So this is part of that series, you guys. I did a Michael's one. I'll see if I either do that by itself or add it to this one just to make one kind of haul, because they are small, so it's not a lot of things, okay? All right, so this is what I picked up in Walmart, you guys. I'm super excited. When I was putting up all of my fall decor, I noticed that what I was missing was foliage, right? So I have a lot of pumpkins, and I have added to my collection of pumpkins, you guys. I hope you're keeping count of how many pumpkins I end up at the end of the season. I've already lost track, so I might have to do a recount. But anyways, I picked up these little picks. They were so cute, very inexpensive. This one was $134, and these over here were also $134. And I'm gonna bring it up to you guys and show you a close-up of them. And as you can see, it has that yellow amberish color, has some nice green also, because I do have some green in the wreaths. I have some green in the vase that's next to the stove with the eucalyptus. So I just wanted to bring some greenery elsewhere as well. This one is super cute. They only had one of these, you guys. If not, I would have picked up a lot more. And these were actually the last two that I found in this color. There's a lot more orange color than these muted colors. I decided to add that amber yellow golden-ish color to the fall this year. So I'm very excited about that. That way it's not too on the cold side. This kind of warms it up when you add it in between the accents, and I'll show you how I'm using these as well, okay? Then you guys, more pumpkins. All right, so I ended up picking up some more pumpkins because, like I said, I want to decorate as much as the house as possible, and I noticed that I didn't have any pumpkins for my bathroom, and I'm gonna be showing you what I'm gonna be doing with these, you guys. So I didn't know exactly how many I needed, so I just picked up a couple. These were only 98 cents, so it's pretty good on the bargain. So this is like the smaller one. This is like a medium one, and then they have the larger one. And what I love about this is the actual pattern. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not, but it's kind of like a crackle finish, but the crackle is actually a glitter finish. So I think they're very cute. And again, it has that amber color. These are the three different sizes. Has that amber golden yellowish color that I'm looking for. This is a little bit more pigmented than anything else, but since they're going into my bathroom, I don't think that that's gonna make a big difference, since they're gonna be on their own over there, and it's just gonna bring a little bit of the brightness over to the bathroom area. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these pumpkins. I hope you guys are keeping count. All right. And so when I was in the section, I had no intentions on buying this, you guys, but I couldn't resist. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Walmart, way to go. It was in Kirkland's where I found these at $39.99, and Walmart actually had them for $17.44, you guys. Now there's no glass, in here, which I like because I actually had other lanterns that had glass and they ended up tipping over and cracking. But I think this is perfect. It comes already built like this. It has all of this nice foliage. Again, we have a lot of the amber, golden, yellowish color, and it has the white pumpkin, which I love. And it also has a little touches of the actual orange, which is not something I'm using here, but it's so muted. I think that it definitely goes with my decor this year. It has little tiny pine cones right over here, and I absolutely love it. It's very lightweight, nothing heavy. And so these were actually the last two that I saw in that section. I didn't see any more. So there's a couple things pulling out, but that's okay. I'll go back in there and just fix it up, you guys. It's $17.44 each. You can't go wrong. Having the lantern already and having the foliage. Kind of has like a little either bird's nest or a little wreath that's that wooden texture, just like my wreath back here. The base of it is kind of that twiggy molding. So I really like it. The one in Kirkland does have a faux candle in there, one of those LED candles, but how easy is that to pick up in the dollar store or anywhere else and just pop one right in here for added ambiance. You can also add some twinkle lights, and that will also bring some glow to the lanterns as well. But I absolutely love it. They are metal or kind of like an aluminum type. And if next year I don't want to have this bronzy color because it's not really my style, I can always spray paint it silver. But for this year, I want to keep fall nice and warm, and I think this brings the warmth that I'm looking for, just to add it in little tiny corners. So we'll see where I put this, you guys, and I hope you guys subscribe down below so that you can see where I'm gonna place this in my house. And I have a lot more videos coming up, you guys. So that being said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.